Welcome to the Hybrid Consulting YouTube channel. Today we are back to an essential aspect of business management that can make or break a company, talent retention. If you missed our first video on this topic, you can watch it on our YouTube channel. In addition, subscribe to make sure you don't miss valuable content we are sharing every week. Today, I would like to start by giving you a glimpse of what a typical employee retention project at Hybrid Consulting looks like. Each project begins with an initial business problem. For instance, a client might be facing issues with customer satisfaction due to high turnover rate among their top performing employees, affecting their productivity and competitive edge. In our initial meeting with the client, we delve into this problem, discussing its details, its impact, and what the client hopes to achieve by addressing it. We also identify the key stakeholders involved in this issue, as their perspectives and priorities will guide our approach. Once we understand the stakeholders and their strategic priorities, as well as their assumptions about the problem, we scope our project. This scoping is based on two key factors, impact and complexity. We want to ensure that our work will provide substantial benefit to the client and that we can successfully navigate the intricacies of the issue at hand. After our proposal has been accepted, we sign a contract and real work begins. Our primary goal is to test the initial assumptions. In this case, why is the turnover rate among top performing employees high? We aim to either confirm or reject the assumption behind the drivers and then provide actionable recommendations. However, the road to these recommendations is rarely straightforward. We may face roadblocks, such as unavailable data or data that needs significant pre-processing, or our investigations may refute the initial hypothesis, necessitating further examinations. Once the project is completed, we move to the implementation phase, which often involves process redesign. We usually start with a pilot program to assess the effectiveness of our solutions. After evaluating the results, carrying out a feasibility study and a cost-benefit analysis, we make necessary adjustments and proceed to full implementation. As we transition to strategic partnership, our focus shifts to monitoring progress, fine-tuning our solutions, and integrating the results of our analytics into an easily consumable format like a dashboard or a predictive model. This way we ensure that the client can continue to benefit from data-driven decision-making long after our project concludes. Today I want to show you an interactive employee retention dashboard that we have built for demonstration purposes. Although the data we used is hypothetical, it represents the wealth of information that businesses typically have at their disposal about their employees. This type of information typically comes from various sources like HR management systems, payroll systems, internal surveys, or in some cases, third-party demographic studies. It's the kind of data most businesses generate, but may not be leveraging to their full potential. We usually spend quite significant time cleaning and preparing the data for analysis. This process includes standardizing disparate data types and treating any missing or inconsistent data, or even outliers. We then begin by exploring the data, which allows us to identify patterns, trends, and issues. The result of this exploration is a descriptive analysis presented in a Power BI report. In the executive summary, we highlight key metrics such as total turnover, bad attrition, the cost of bad attrition, and the departmental breakdown. We define bad attrition as talents leaving. Last but not least, we offer our recommendations for moving forward. Because the report is in Power BI, it is fully interactive, allowing you to delve further into the data at will. Depending on the depth of our dataset, we usually create a dashboard for a more detailed level of descriptive analysis, which is also fully interactive. Our recommendations stem from this more in-depth assessment. If the dataset is comprehensive enough and the initial problem statement calls for it, We take our analysis a step further by engaging in predictive modeling using statistical analysis in SPSS. These findings are typically summarized in a PowerPoint presentation. And what would you get if you subscribe to our monthly services? Well, with basic subscription, we would set up a Power BI workspace for you and refresh the executive summary and the dashboard every month. Prepare the textual analysis to see what has changed and what needs your attention. Of course, we would tailor the detailed content in the dashboard to your business needs. With standard subscription, we would provide you with more details on the department or on the team level. Also, we would give you predictive statistics to identify, for example, employees at risk of leaving. With our premium subscription, you would add 3 hours of consulting to all this every month, as well as even more details if needed. All this in Power BI services where we can set up role level security so that even managers can view their own team's turnover numbers and even benchmark themselves to the entire company. In conclusion, improving employee retention is a multifaceted challenge that requires comprehensive understanding and targeted solutions. With thorough investigation and strategic changes, the company can not only reduce attrition, but also enhance employee satisfaction, productivity, and its overall brand as an employer. It's about enabling decision makers to shift from relying solely on gut feelings to making choices powered by robust data. This evolution can significantly enhance productivity and ultimately improve your business results. Please stay tuned for our upcoming demonstrations, where we will continue to explore the fascinating realm of data and its influence on business decisions. If you are encountering similar challenges in your organization and feel stuck, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can contact us at www.hybridgeconsulting.com. We are here to help you navigate the complexities of data analytics to transform your business. Looking forward to seeing you in our next video. Remember, with Hybridge Consulting, we help you bridge the gap between your data and actionable insights, empowering your business with people insights. See you soon.